What's going on, everybody? This is Scott, also known as ChaChingKing. I've got something really interesting to cover in this video, and it's going to be, what do you do when eBay cancels a sale? I had it happen this morning, and I thought I'd walk you through the steps that I'm seeing. So this morning, I got this message right here, and it's from eBay, and the title is, "We canceled a sale for my security." And so let's talk a little bit about exactly what it is. And basically, eBay had a concern with a buyer's account. And what this email goes through is it talks about the specific sale that I had. And it was a pair of Nike Dunks. And it tells you exactly what you should do. It talks about me being disappointed. And I'm really not, because if there was something wrong with that buyer's account, a stolen credit card, or somebody has stolen an account, or somebody transferred the name on the account to somebody that can't own it, something like that, I want to know before I ship something out. Now here's the thing, how lucky I am today. I always ship by about 7 in the morning because that's just the way it works. We had a lot going on at the house this morning, and I'm going to have to ship this afternoon. In fact, I got on here to ship, and I had already boxed up the shoes when I was getting on here to print my labels, and sure enough, it's canceled. So let's talk about exactly what you do if you have a sale that's canceled. First, don't ship if you haven't shipped, but let's scroll down here and it'll tell you don't complete the sale. And if you haven't done so yet, don't communicate with that person. Don't talk to them outside of it, because they may try and get in touch with you outside of eBay if they already have your information. And if they ask you to give them a refund or they request a payment of some kind, don't do any of that. You don't ever complete transactions off of eBay for any reason whatsoever. And it tells you that if you've already sent the item, you're going to contact your shipper. And so if I had already shipped it this morning, I would go back to my post office and I would say, hey, I need to recall that. I need to have that intercepted and sent back to me if I can. It is not 100% that you're going to be able to get those stopped, but you can certainly try. And it says if the listing was ended, then you can relist it. Here was my concern. Let me go back to my Seller Hub. You will see on my Seller Hub under the tasks that it still shows that I have an item to ship. And so that was a concern. I was like, on one hand, I've got a message from eBay that says, we've canceled the sale, don't ship it. But when you open the sales sheet, it shows that I have an item to ship, and it's these Nike Dunks. So here's what you do at that point. You're going to head over to Facebook, and you're going to go to the main eBay page right here. It's got like 10 million followers, and you are going to send them a message. On the message, the first thing it's going to tell you to do is to verify that it's your account. So basically, you're going to log into eBay through your Facebook messaging system, and you're going to tell them what's going on and what went wrong, and somebody is going to get back in contact with you from eBay. And I will tell you this, by far my favorite way to communicate with eBay is on Facebook. And that, in my opinion, is far better than even back in the day when we could call and talk to a human being. I think this is better. I've had far better service, and whatever they tell me is in writing, which I also think is helpful. So they basically confirm what was wrong, and they confirm everything that was. Here's what was interesting. Let me blow this up a little bit. So basically it says, thanks for confirming that's what the problem was. And even though they've canceled a sale, they don't actually cancel the sale. That I have to go in and do that, but it tells me how to do that. I will go in and cancel the sale at the buyer's request. And then any money that's been in my account will be refunded at that point. And I can't get any negative feedback from that or anything like that. Keep in mind that their account is canceled. So that ends up being the end of it. So let's go back over to eBay and let me show you what this looks like. So I have this on here that this is still due to be shipped out. When I click on the buyer's name, I get this right here, that they are no longer a registered user. And my guess is the name that was being used probably isn't the person that, it's probably a real person with a real address that the package was going to be intercepted at, but it's not the person's name that was on there. So I'll probably block their name, but this is what you're going to see, that they are no longer a registered user. So at this point right here, here's how you cancel this. So I'm going to click right here on these three dots, and I'm going to go down to cancel the order. And I have to select a reason. I'm going to select the reason that they told me, and they told me to click buyer asked to cancel. And I'm going to click next. Okay, so the cancellation is pending. If this were an active account, then typically what would happen is the buyer would have to go in and approve that cancellation, say, yes, I'm the one who asked to cancel that. So I'm not exactly sure what will happen on this end, but I have followed the instructions to the letter that eBay sent me. And so what I will do now is I'll get back on Facebook, send them a message, and tell them that I've canceled it as per the buyer's request, as you told me to do. And then I will thank them for their help. Okay, so now we've submitted our request, and I have very quickly, I got a message back that said that the order had been successfully canceled right here. So we open that and we will take a look at exactly what it says. And truthfully, this looks like every other canceled sale that I've ever had when it was done at the buyer request. But I still want to show you the cancellation details. And so right here, all done, you've refunded the buyer, meaning that the money that was collected was refunded, because this could have been a stolen credit card. There's any number of reasons that eBay stepped in and removed this account. Right here is the important part for me, is that the buyer asked to cancel the sale. Why that's important? Obviously in this situation, the buyer's not going to be leaving feedback because their account has been terminated. But when it's done at the buyer's request, this doesn't affect my metrics in any kind of negative way. And that's really important to me. So it's all canceled, it's all done, and everything has been taken care of. Here's the takeaway from this. This is a unique situation. This doesn't come up a lot. But always keep all of your communications on with a customer. Keep all of your communications on the eBay platform. And then if you ever have to go to eBay for questions and clarification of what you should do, then make sure you do exactly what eBay tells you to do. Your odds of having a positive resolution go way up when you do exactly what they've told you to do. So hopefully you found this interesting and helpful. I realize it's a short video, but it's a unique situation. I want to share it with you. That's it for this video. I'm going to see you real soon on the next one. Bye.